Winter ploughing for next year's crops is well underway. We joined Chris Clements partway through a 35-acre field of heavy land in West Suffolk, which will grow sugar beet next year. Chris is using a Ford TW-25 Force 2 with a 7-furrow Dowdeswell DP6 plough. The TW is coping with 7 furrows extremely well. Chris is running the tractor at about 2,000 RPM and working in third gear, with the dual power in low coming up the field and high going back down. Working depth is 9 inches and the plough is doing a really excellent job leaving a level and even finish. The semi-mounted DP6 was made from 1974 to 1991. It's a particularly good match for the TW, and this was a popular combination back in the day, allowing larger ploughs to be used without the stress on the linkage of a mounted plough.